hanging upside down on a barbell or something, the strength to get right back up again from the hang down position where your knees are locked.
Takes a lot of stomach.
Okay, add to that a forward speed of 110 miles an hour. You're facing that wind. And then you have to fight the wind, and then you have to get yourself back upright. Now, you think that Jane is going to disappear from us. Now, she's still on that far side. Keep an eye on Jane. Keep an eye on Charlie. Watch this. Jane Wicker sitting on top of the world. Oh, no.
Martin, get up.
Jezus! Motorówka z ratownikami już płynie. Marek Szuf, wielki pilot.
Del Ministerio del Aire que quería un avión de transición de la hélice al reactor. Ya en ese momento estaban ya empezando a llegar los primeros reactores F-86 Sabre North American ya de caza bombardeo.
¡Hostia! Lo sabía, tío. Tenía un presentimiento. Yo he visto que no subía.
Flying to the music of Top Gun. You're listening into the voice of the leader of the team. These are two really smoke on, you go. Very pleasant guys. The smoke that you see there is very, very expensive smoke oil that is pumped across the exhaust system of the aircraft. So let me tell you a little bit about the L-39 aircraft. See, there's no stand, so the L-39C from country of origin is Czechoslovakia. It's a two-seat advanced trainer and light strike aircraft. And rolling right, go. Right, folks, please remain.